Hey folks, Pat with Bird Brain Model Rails again. I see lots of questions always about running DC and DCC on the same track. The process for wiring, guys, is pretty simple, and we're going to cover that today. What you're currently looking at is a rough diagram of a dual pole, dual throw toggle switch. This is a side view, and of course it's a rough drawing. That's going to be your actual switch. Back here are your connectors for your wires. Now on a rear view, we're showing the top side, the two top wires run into a DC controller. The two center wires run to your track. The two bottom wires go to a DCC controller. Now as we come down here to our actual switches that I've put into this switch plate, let me turn this so you can see it. What I have here, just like that drawing stated, my top two here go to a DC controller. My bottom two, my center wires here and here go to the track, which is up here. And then my bottom sets on the bottom side of that switch run to my DC controller, which is right here. Guys, it's that simple. When you're done with it, all you have to do, of course I put my panel back in place. Give me 1 second and I'll do that. Screw it back into the board. I opened this up so you guys could see it and get a better idea of what's going on. And these switches are not expensive, guys, at all. Okay. Okay, and one more. Okay, so once that's in place, all I have to do is drop my switch down for DC current. Bring it back to center, it's off. Bring it up, and I'm set for DCC current. I can do this on any one of my three mains. The nice thing about DCC is I'm only using one controller, which is an NCE power cap that you see right here. That's running all three of my DCC switches here. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to get our further updates on our additional videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.